What's up everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today's is going to be about a lot of GSE and one really interesting aircraft model that I've been really looking forward to getting for a very long time. But without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start off with the 4 Sky Chef catering trucks in 1/400 scale from Herpa. All trucks are adjustable by height, and the ledge in front can be moved down for more realism. Overall, definitely a really interesting set. I'm pretty glad that these are branded with the Sky Chef's logos, as those are the catering trucks that actually serve RSW and a lot of airports around the world. So basically, wherever your model airport is, Sky Chef's probably serves them. And if that's the case, these will definitely come in handy and I highly recommend them. Next up is the Scenix Series 1/400 scale tractor set, or at least that's what the airplane shop called it, from Herpa. I'm simply going to refer to them as pushback tugs or taxi tugs. However, they are highly detailed and I really appreciate those red stripes on the front. They definitely add a lot more texture and color to it instead of making it all just black and white. I want to say that these look really nice compared to aircraft such as this Boeing 757 from Delta. I'm not too sure that these are used to taxi aircraft around unless it's a major airport. However, I will be using them maybe for that in the Frankfurt updates, but also these will come into the RSW updates as well, just like all of these ground crew sets that you're going to see in this video. Overall, a really useful GSE set that will definitely come in handy with all of your model airports. Next up is the Gemini Jets Airport Service Support Vehicles set in 1/400 scale. I gotta admit, this one definitely has a lot more quantity just for a little less quality, but I think it's definitely worth it because I think this is the only GSE set that I'm aware of that comes with a fuel truck, so I'm pretty excited for that as well. But yeah, let's get into it. This set includes a fuel truck, a catering truck, a cargo lifter, a passenger and crew bus, a luggage/cargo lifter, air stairs, a tow bar, tow tugs, a pallet carrier, and dollies, and one generator. It's hard to tell the difference between which one of these two dollies is the generator or GPU, but I have to admit I kind of like the Fantasy Wing one a little better. The air stairs are adjustable by height, similar to the way Fantasy Wings does it. It just moves the one part of the air stairs up to gain more height. However, it is a little flimsy, so I wouldn't recommend putting too much pressure on it because it might break. However, it does slide out just like that, but you can always just put it back in, and there you go. There's your air stairs. Similar to the air stairs, the catering truck is adjustable by height as well. You can move it up and down. You can move that up and down as well as the ledge. It can go up and down. Now, the luggage loader can also move up and down. However, you need to push down on the back. It is very fragile. Not that it will break. Most likely it won't. However, it is just difficult to position it right. Once you do, you are able to adjust it to a majority of the heights that any aircraft requires. The cargo loader has a similar feature, however, this area cannot go up and down, but the top area can. It is hard to hold it there, but it will stay similar to a position like this, and you can move it up and down. The tow tugs in this set can be attached to this rod with wheels. I don't know exactly what it's called, but you can clip it into the front of the tow tug right there, and it acts similar to that of the Herpa one, except it just pushes from the front. Same thing can be with the other tow tug, like so. The smaller tug with the pallet carriers and the cargo dollies, along with, I believe this one is the generator, but those are not able to connect exactly. However, you can make the illusion that it connects, like so. In this set are 2 buses. One is a larger bus and one is a smaller bus. They both have very similar features. And by that I mean they look the same because of the colors. I can appreciate the detail that once you look inside through the clear windows of this bus, you can see that there are in fact little seats inside. Not the same for this one. I'm not sure if they would even be able to fit it in there. However, these can be used as terminal buses, passenger buses, and if you want commuter buses that come to your terminal and bring passengers. And last but not least is this fuel truck. The fuel truck is actually pretty interesting because I'm not sure that any other GSE set has a fuel truck in it. It looks really nice. It definitely gets the aesthetic job done, and I can't wait to add it to my airport. But anyway, that's the Gemini Jets Airport Service Support Vehicles review. And as our last item for this unboxing is the Airbus A330-300 from Eurowings Discover, registered as Delta Alpha Foxtrot Yankee Quebec. I'm really excited to open this one as this aircraft flies to both of my airports. Let's get into it. The model comes with a stand, which I'm pretty happy for, and landing gear. This model is from Hogan and is in 1/400 scale. This model does not have any external components on the fuselage, such as antennas or Wi-Fi domes. However, it has these very nice winglets, which they actually took the care to paint. The tail is very beautiful. It definitely looks exactly like the real thing. And yeah. You can also see those lovely wings, Eurowings Discover, and that very recognizable cockpit with the very recognizable logo. But yeah, that is the Eurowings Discover A330-300. Anyways, that's going to be it for this unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. This lets me know that you enjoyed this content and you want more just like it. See you next time. Bye.